Hi everyone to the channel. So we're out again. It's 3 days in a row now. Just trying out this Cardo headset with the 360 Ace Pro. So we've been up here already this afternoon. We've had the drone follow us, and now we're just going with the light cam. Just to get a view. This is currently my favourite road up here though. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. The numerous times I've been across so far. I think it's water splashes. And it's workout for the arms, I must admit. Water splash. That water splash there has a really spiky. That's the only thing, isn't it, up here? You can't see what's in this dirty water. So when someone can find it, an hour or so. I get down to the gate at the end. We'll call it a day. Warm have some tea. Definitely building up. Possibly. This is it for today. This is it for the week, really. Got a wedding at the weekend. So I'm not going to be able to get out. I'll make the most of it this afternoon.